In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove game files from the Steam tool in just 5 minutes. This process can be very useful if you're trying to free up space on your computer or if you want to declutter your game library. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, make sure your Steam app is open. If you haven't already done so, double click the Steam icon on your desktop or search for it in your applications list to get it up and running. Once you have Steam open, navigate to the login screen. You'll find this by clicking on Login, which is usually located in the top right corner of the application. Once you're at the login screen, you'll need to enter your account name and password. Be sure to type your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your information, go ahead and click on Sign In. This step will take you to your Steam homepage where you'll see your profile and various game updates. Now, direct your attention to the top of your screen and locate the Library tab. Click on it to access your collection of games. In this section, you'll see a list of all the titles you've purchased or added to your library over time. What you'll want to do next is find the specific game you're looking to remove. Once you've located the game, right-click on its title. This action will bring up a contextual menu with several options. From this menu, hover over or select Manage. Subsequently, you'll see an option that says Remove from Account. Click on it. If you're concerned about accidentally deleting a game, don't worry. Steam will prompt you to confirm your decision. This safety measure ensures you don't remove something important by mistake. Finally, a confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the game from your account. Confirm by clicking Remove. And there you have it. The game is now removed from your library, and you've successfully freed up that space. Remember, this action is best suited for games you're sure you won't want to play again, because you might need to repurchase them if you change your mind later. So, consider carefully before you click that final Remove button. And that's it. You now know how to remove game files from Steam swiftly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, do consider checking out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks to enhance your gaming experience.